Ijaji uJamela Mhlambi ngesikhathi ekhipha isinqumo sakhe uthi ukholwa ukuthi labasolwa ngeke bazame ukweqa eBloemfontein ngenxa yezizathu ezihlukene. Uphinde wagcizelela nokuthi ngeke besabise ofakazi uma bededelwe ngebheyili njengoba inemigomo nemibandela.
The court Akuo misdirected itself in the sense that it applied a wrong test in terms of determining or establishing as to the suitability of the candidates.
Umsolwa uSinohe Mathwara nguyena osolwa ngokuqhuba isidumbu sikaBereng esihambisa egunjini lasejele. Umndeni lokuthi uzothola ubulungiswa.
We are deeply hurt. We, in short, feeling very devastated by this judgment. However, we know that everything happens for a reason.
Abameli babasolwa sebesamkelile isinqumo senkantolo kusenjalo abakwasidlodlo eFree State basafuna umndeni wesinye isidumbu esathathwa uMagudumana ngokungemthetho emakhazeni nyakenye kusolakala ukuthi waqamba amanga wathi lesi sidumbu esikayise uzolile esekeleni.
The body was then claimed by one of the suspects in Thabo Bester's saga escape at the Bloemfontein government mortuary on the 8th of April 2022. The same body was later found where it's suspected to have been dumped on the 28th of April 2022.
INPA bingakasikiphi istatimende mayelana nesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme.